Welcome back to Toomas Tips. If you ever struggled with organizing research, creating summaries, or pulling key insights from long documents, then this video is for you. Today we're diving into Notebook LM, an AI-powered research assistant by Google. This tool lets you generate mind maps, create study guides, frequently asked questions, briefing materials, and even a podcast version of your research. So let's get started. To get started, simply click on New Project and add your sources. In Notebook LM, you can upload PDFs or other documents, paste links such as websites or YouTube videos, or add your own notes. To do this, simply click on Add Source and choose the file type. The maximum number of sources is 50. You can also organize your sources by renaming or deleting them as needed. Now that we have added our sources, we can ask Notebook LM some questions about this research. By default, it already suggests some questions, but you can always come up with your own. Once answered, it will find the most relevant information and provide a source link to the information. What makes the application special is that with Notebook LM, you can generate mind maps, study guides, frequently asked questions, timelines, and even podcasts with just one click. By clicking on Generate Mind Map, Notebook LM organizes key ideas into a structured diagram. This is especially helpful if you are a visual learner or need quick overview of a topic. The whole research is turned into paragraphs that can be easily accessed via the mind map. Choose the part that interests you the most and you can learn more about the specific topic. If you're working with documents that reference specific years or tracking the progress of events, Notebook LM can effortlessly generate detailed timelines. This feature provides a clear, structured overview of the entire process from the earliest recorded step to the most recent development. The study guideline is really useful if you're studying for an exam or just want to absorb information better. Click Generate Study Guide and Notebook LM will break down the content into key points, summaries, and even quiz questions. This transforms research paper into structured learning material, saving a tons of time. You can also generate frequently asked questions. Just click on Generate FAQs and you'll get a list of questions with AI-generated answers. This is great for quick reviews or preparing for discussions. For presentations or report, you allow the briefing material generator. Click on the Generate Briefing and Notebook LM will generate a well-structured summary with key takeaways. This is perfect for busy professionals who need a quick but comprehensive overview of any document. Besides all this, Notebook LM can generate a podcast-style summary of your materials. This turns the text into an audio-friendly script, making it easier to review research while doing something else. The generation takes a couple of minutes, and as a better version, you can join in to ask questions. Here's the example of the podcast.
Welcome to the deep dive.
It's great to be here.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into the history of the internet. Specifically, we're going to be scientists and engineers. They were all bringing their research and ideas to the table.
Right.
And they were all working together to ultimately create what would become the ARPANET.
Yeah, ARPANET.
It was a huge team project.
Yeah.
Where basically different people were solving different pieces of the puzzle.
Right.
And it all eventually fit together.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Overall, it's an amazing tool if you need quick, structured insights, but you still need to fact-check the AI output. That wraps up the quick tutorial into Notebook LM. Whether you're a student, researcher, or professional, this tool can make your work a lot easier. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.